here's an in-depth comparison between the Hasbro and the Midfig. First up, we got the faces. Hasbro uses a crossed pattern or design, while Midfig retains the same as the DT counterpart. Next up is the chrome wheels. Pretty much identical, while one of probably is much more oxidized, while the other is brand new. Here we got the crystal wheels, much more vibrant on the Hasbro side, while Midfig is like dark red. The Wing 145s, pretty much the same. Terrible molding on the Midfig one, while it's pretty clean on the Hasbro one. Circle flats, no differences except for Hasbro's is the reinforced mold. As you can see, the caps are reinforced. Now I'll be doing some test launches. First one is Ifrit or Ifrit. Pretty aggressive. Next is Archer Griff. Passive for balance time. What do you guys think? Any battle requests between my other bays?